slide your right leg in, your left leg in, crossing both your legs between your shin bone. Now, see that your feet are below your knees. From here, take out the flush of your buttocks, rolling your shoulders back. Both your palms by the side of your body. Now, slowly try to press both the palms down. Raise your trunk up, release the tensions from your shoulders. Now, inhale, slowly and gently fold both your palms together. Try to bring your palms closer to your Anahata Chakra. Relax your shoulders down. Your chin should be parallel to the ground. Focus that your spine should always be straight. Now, we'll close your eyes. We'll start with 3 rounds of Om chanting. Towards your trunk. Lock your both the elbows and try to stretch it out. Now from here, slowly and gently bring your both the palms down and just come closer to you. Now sitting in a Swastikasana, try to stretch your both the palms out. Your both the hands should be straight, locking your both the arms. Now exhale and try to drop your both the palms down. Inhale, raise it up. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please dekhna hai, your elbow should not bend down. If it is something like this, just try to stretch them out. Relax your shoulders down, but try to push your shoulders back towards your trunk. Don't try to push your trunk forward. It should not be like this. Try to make your spine straight and continue. Yes. Now, one by one, stretch your both the palms out. Now, drop your right palm down, your left palm up. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale, release your both the hands down. Once again, making your spine straight. If you feel that your knees are not tired, you can just change the crossing of your legs. Making your spine straight, stretch your both the palms out. Now bring your thumb in, make a fist of your palms. Now inhale, rotate your both the fist outside. Continue. Straighten your both the arms. Again, try to focus onto your shoulders. Don't push your both the shoulders forward. Continue. It is good for those who are having spondylitis also. Exhale. Now rotate them inward. Straighten your both the arms. Now spread your fingers as much as you can spread them out. Bring them in. Make a fist. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale and then slowly release your both the hands down. Take a long breath. Inhale deeply and exhale out completely. Now stretch your both the palms in front of you. Bring both your palms onto your shoulders. Now put the fingertips on your shoulders. Now bring both your elbows closer to each other. Now roll them backward, going from back to front. Yes, continue. 10 rounds. Inhale, exhale. Virasana. So, आप क्या कर सकते हैं? You can just take a cushion or a pillow, bend your knees. Now from here, bring your palms onto your calves and try to roll them outside and try to sit between both your heels. I'll just show you once again. Sitting in a Virasana, try to roll your calves outward and try to sit between your heels. Now, in many of the cases, you won't be able to sit onto the floor. So what you can do, you can take the cushion and try to lift up your buttocks up and place some cushion below your buttocks. You can increase the height also. Even you can use the bolsters, or I'm having a bolster over here. So I can just sit on top of my bolsters in this way. ठीक है? अगर ankle में फिर भी pain हो रहा है, तो you can take something below your ankle. If the knees are hurting, just try to sit in a Swastikasana, the asana we were sitting in the beginning. ठीक है? Okay. I just showed you in a sideways. Everyone sit in a Virasana. Now making your spine straight. Raise your chest up. Relax your shoulders down. Now from here, rolling your shoulders back. Stretch your both the palms behind. अपने दोनों palms को पीछे की तरफ stretch करिए. Now, if you are able to interlock your fingers, try to interlock your fingers and try to push your palms down towards the floor, rolling your shoulders back. I'll just come closer to you. try to push your palms down. Roll your shoulders back, stretch your arms down, interlock your fingers and try to push both the palms down, try to hold. Your head should be straight, your chin should be parallel to the ground. Now inhale, try to lift up your both the palms up as much as you can. If you are up till here only, try to hold. But don't push your abdomen in, don't try to push your chest forward to raise your arms up. Make your spine straight and try to lift it high. Yes, I'll just see everyone. Pinky finger was down. Now try to bring your left pinky finger down. Okay? Change the interlock. Rolling your shoulders back. Stretching your both the palms down towards the floor. Lock your elbows. Raise your chest up. Your chin should be parallel to the ground. Now inhale. Roll your arms and try to stretch them back as much as you can. Pull them back. We'll go for the Gomukhasana. So I'll just guide you how to do. Stretching your both the palms in front of you. Inhale, we'll raise our arms up. We'll bend our right elbow behind. We'll try to rotate our left hand back and then slowly and gently try to bring both the palms closer to each other. Okay, this is Gomukhasana. Now in many cases you won't be able to grab your both the palms. What you can do, take a strap or a dupatta. If you are having a dupatta, you can just take the dupatta. Try to roll them back. Rolling your right arm back, left arm back, grab them together. And then you can walk towards each other. Okay? So making your spine straight. Now what we have to do, stretching both the arms in front of you. If you are tired sitting in this asana, you can just sit in a swastikasana. Or those who want to sit in this asana, they can just sit in this asana. Okay, stretching both the palms out. Now what you have to do, roll your arms, cross your both the arms and try to grab your shoulder blades behind. I'll just show you from behind. We have to grab our shoulder blades from behind. Now from here, try to walk them towards your spine. Okay? Yes. Now in Uttanasana, everybody knows how to go into the Uttanasana. But some new are there, so I'll just guide you how to do. Basically, we'll raise our arms up. We'll try to bend our trunk from our pelvis. Our spine should be straight. We'll set our arms forward and then slowly and gently we'll try to go down. Bringing our palms by the side of your feet. Either you can grab it from behind, extend your trunk and try to bring your head down. Okay, now those who are able to reach down, they can do this asana. First they will come in this pose and then slowly and gently they will go back. Now, those who are new, so you might be having any chair in your house, you can just take the chair. The best one is dining table chair is the good one because they don't have an arms, so you can take that chair. So what you can do, keep a distance of at least 2 feet from your chair. You can raise your arms up, extend your trunk. Now place both your palms onto the seat of the chair in this way. Now from here, आप देखेंगे कि आपका heel and your buttocks are parallel to each other. You don't have to push it forward or you don't have to push it back. It should be straight. Just try to walk your palms forward. You have to extend your trunk, but your pelvis back towards your tailbone away from your trunk. Stretch it forward. In between, you can raise your head up and try to hold. Okay? Those who can go down, otherwise you can take the back of the chair, press it down and try to hold. You can go accordingly. Chalo. Asana. So Maricha Asana we generally have done by sitting also. So now we will do with the help of a wall. अगर आपके पास chair हो तो you can just bring a chair. I'll just show you how to do. तो आपको chair को क्या करना है? Wall से टक कर देना है. The seat should be in front. Now sitting and standing in this position, or you can just place the seat towards the wall. आप देख सकते हैं. Now what you will do, you will raise your leg up, the neck towards the wall. जो दीवार की तरफ वॉल होगी, आपको उसी को उठा करके सीट के ऊपर रखना है. उल्टा पैर नहीं रखना है. You have to raise your leg towards the wall. ठीक है? Now placing your leg towards the wall, make your spine straight. Now we'll press both the palms onto the wall. Means your left palm, my right leg is up, my left palm is in front, my right palm is behind. Now I'll raise the chest up, pushing my knee back and just rotate my trunk towards my right side. You can just see the twist onto my spine. Got it everyone? Chest के बगल में रखते हुए rotate it towards your left side. इस तरह से. ठीक है? आज रखा है. Press it down and rotate towards your left side. मैंने उस तरफ को देखा है. अपने लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को मेरा लेफ्ट नी ऊपर है और मैं ट्विस्ट कर रही हूँ इस तरफ. Your spine should be straight. Yes. Now the next asana is Pasarita Padottanasana. For that we'll just stretch our legs out, raise the arms up, extending our trunk. We'll try to bring our both the palms down and the head drop down. Now to come into this asana, what we will do, we'll again take a chair in front of us in this way. Before that I'll just show you. We'll go closer to the wall and stretch our legs out. But अभी आपको क्या करना है? Wall से थोड़ा सा gap रखना है, at least 1 foot का. Now from here, tuck your buttocks towards the wall, raising your both the palms out. We'll try to lift our buttocks up and try to bring our chest down. We'll press both the palms in front of us in this way. अगर आपके palms नीचे नहीं पहुंच रहे हैं, what you can do, you can take the chair, place your palms onto the chair and try to stretch your arms forward, bringing your forehead down. ठीक है, मैं एक बार sideways भी दिखाती हूँ. Try to stretch your legs out. Now दीवार से आप at least 1 foot का gap रखिए. Now tuck your buttocks onto the wall. Slowly go down and try to stretch your both the palms out. Okay, if you can go more down, you can go more down. If you can go more down, slowly and gently, you can walk your palms between your feet and try to drop your head down. Okay? Chalo. Sit down and watch. I think I should bring the camera a little more forward so that you can see the floor. Let's make it straight. Just watch everyone. आप अपने knee को bend करेंगे. You will place your palms down. You will slowly bend your right elbow down. You will lift elbow down and try to straighten your both the legs up. Now this is the position of supine one. Now what we will do, we'll bend our right leg. आप स्ट्रैप या दुपट्टा कुछ भी लीजिए and try to bring it onto the mount of your right foot. ठीक है, right foot के mount में लेते हुए now slowly and gently straighten your leg. अगर आपका leg इतना भी नहीं हो रहा है, if it is up till here, but try to make it straight. Don't try to bend it down कि इसको bend करके आपने अपने chest के पास लेके आए. No, you have to make it straight. आपको अपने left leg पे भी focus करना है. It should be straight, your heel should go out, your knee should be locked, it should be open and try to stretch it up. Okay? First we will go for the 90-degree angle. Now what you have to focus, you have to raise your heels up, toes को अपनी तरफ push करेंगे. Got it? Lock it. And you have to widen your chest. मैंने कई लोगों को देखा है कि वो इस तरह से करते हैं. You don't have to do this. You have to slide your hands down. Your elbow should be by the side of your chest. Widen your chest and try to hold. And then slowly try to switch onto your left leg. Bringing it onto the mount of your left foot. Raise your leg up. Straighten your right leg down and try to slide your hands down and try to hold. Got it? Chalo. Try to bend up both the knees and we'll just bend our knee towards our right side wherever they are going. Means your right knee is going down, your left knee is coming up. We just have to relax our muscles and try to go down towards your left side. Okay? You have to stretch your both arms. I'm not having space over here, so I try to stretch your arms out and this way, try to go down. 5 times on your right side and 5 times onto your left side, completely 10 times. Okay? Chalo, let's start. Go to the Setu Bandhanasana. You just go for the Setu Bandhanasana. जो लोग नए हैं उनको मैं बताऊंगी. You have to bring your both the heels more closer to your buttocks. If you are able to grab your ankles and then straighten your arms, you can just grab it. If not, you can take the strap or the dupatta and try to bring it onto your ankles, and then slowly press your heels down, roll your shoulders back. Now from here, raise your buttocks up, raise your chest up towards your spine. Chin. Okay? And then slowly come back. We'll go for the Savasana. You have to straighten your both the legs. अपने दोनों legs को सीधा करिए and then just try to drop them out. Don't stretch your legs too much out. Just कोशिश करिए अपने दोनों feet को बाहर की तरफ drop करना है. When you drop them out, I'll just show you once again in this way. See that your big toes are covering your little toes. Your legs should be straight. Now roll your shoulders, both your palms by the side of your body, and open your both the palms. Okay? Lie down onto your back for the Savasana. Okay, Indu, I'll just write you how to do. You have to just lie down onto your back, rolling your shoulders back. Try to bring both your shoulder blades closer to each other, or stretch your both the palms by the side of your body. Open your palms. The palm should be facing up towards the ceiling. Now straighten your both the legs. Drop your toes down and try to relax down. In between, you can adjust your buttocks by bringing your buttocks down. Your lumbar spine should be relaxed down, and try to hold. Your chin should be more closer to your chest, and just relax down for the Savasana.